Oh, it's actually running. All right, doesn't sound that bad, guys. Hey, it's actually working, dude. I think it's actually working. The valve train's a little noisy, but according to my calculations, our hypotheses. Oh, already a win for sure. Yeah, there's not a lot of air pressure in here, and it's holding what was in it. So, I mean, right now, the head gasket's definitely holding.
Yeah, it's sealed. It'd be pouring out of here if it wasn't.
Keep this pointed up so we know. So we know when... So if this starts spraying water, guys, we know the head gasket is compromised. Dr. George, why don't you pull her back there? Let's get a naturally aspirated hit across the parking lot. Yeah, let's do just a first gear hit off the wind. And actually, it's not that bad besides the horrible knocking sound. Wow. All right, Dr. Spray and Pray, will you turn the nitrous on?
Yeah, these should be sprayed. That's a true test.
That's a true test.